He's trying
You
to
can put him in
climb
right
out. Look at him. Oh!
Just killed the mouse. Look at his legs kicking.
I've seen chickens though.
He tore him up so quick.
Yeah, he just jumped right up. Is that him like still digesting in there?
No, he's big.
He's gonna swallow him up.
It's fat.
He's just big right there.
And now we don't have to feed him for a couple weeks.
Yeah, like 3 weeks. He is dead.
We're gonna use this video camera for
Like everything.
in the woods.
Mhm.